banana bread from Barn Millet. Stick of butter, room temperature. Today I'm using 7 very ripe bananas. Mash the banana with butter. Add the eggs. Add vanilla. Pumpkin spice. Cinnamon. Sugar. A pinch of salt. My favorite secret ingredient, Farina. And my very new favorite secret ingredient, Morayo. Add 1 cup of Morayo and mix it. If you want to add any dry fruits or fresh fruits, add them now. Mix everything. A pinch of baking powder or baking soda. Barn Millet or Morayo is my new favorite secret ingredient. It has about 1/3 of the calories of wheat or wheat-like grains. Allow the mixture to stand for about half an hour so that Morayo or Barn Millet can soften and get a nice, ready, cakey texture. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Grease a cake pan. Give the batter one final stir and pour. Sprinkle some sugar on top. Adding sugar on top makes the top nice and crusty. Bake for 1 hour. Take it out when it's ready. Barn Millet cake. Easy, creative, and mostly delicious. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I look forward to sharing more recipes from Mrs. Foods.